नमस्कार दर्शकवृन्द, स्वागत छ। यहाँहरू हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ माउन्टेन टेलिभिजनमा नेसनल क्विज। हामी हाम्रा स्पोन्सर्सहरूलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ, अविना स्यानिटरी न्यापकिन्स र शारदा युनिभर्सिटीलाई। आज पनि हामीसँग 3वटा कलेजहरू आइसक्नु भएको छ यो ब्रान्ड न्यू एपिसोडमा पार्टिसिपेट गर्नका लागि र नेसनल क्विजको अन्तिम विनर हुने सपना लिएर पनि आइसक्नु भएको छ। म हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु हाम्रा तीनै पार्टिसिपेटिङ कलेजेसहरूलाई। वेलकम बृहस्पति, वेलकम नवजीवन एन्ड वेलकम नामी। लेट्स स्टार्ट बाई इन्ट्रोड्युसिङ योर सेल्फ। सो घरमा जति पनि हाम्रो भ्युवर्सहरू हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूलाई आफ्नो छोटो परिचय दिनुहोस् न।
नमस्ते सबजना, हामी बृहस्पति विद्या सदन स्कुलबाट। मेरो नाम विशेषता चौधरी।
Greetings everyone, I'm Prasim Bisunke.
Thank you. Navjeevan, may we have your introduction?
नमस्कार सबैजनालाई, हामी नवजीवन स्कुल एन्ड कलेजबाट। मेरो नाम प्रसम घिमिरे अनि
Good afternoon everyone, it's me Jensa Sunar and representing the Navajivan College and School.
Nami?
Namaste everyone, I'm Navajivan National School. My name is Regina Rajwan and
my name is Pratik Gardi.
Thank you very much, Nami. All the best to 3 amazing teams that we have today. Remember, आजको अन्तिम राउन्ड सकिसकेपछिको स्कोर अनाउन्समेन्ट पश्चात the team with the highest score will be moving forward. We have 4 different rounds. यहाँहरू सबैजनालाई हामी जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छौँ. We have the general round, the mixed bag round, we also have the current affairs round and the rapid fire round. So I'll start with the very first round, which is the general round. यो general round मा तपाईले direct question को लागि पाउनुहुन्छ 20 seconds. Past question को answer दिनका लागि पाउनुहुन्छ 10 seconds. If you give the correct answer for a direct question, you get plus 10 points. If you give the correct answer for a past question, you get plus 5 points. There is no negative marking, so I hope you try. हाम्रो general round चाहिँ multiple choice round पनि हो. So हरेक question सँग तपाईले 4 वटा option पाउनुहुन्छ. We'll start with Brihaspati. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Brihaspati, your first question is, how many adult tigers are there in Nepal according to the recent data published by WWF Nepal? Your options are 255, 355, 455, and 555.
The answer is 355.
How confident are you in this number?
70%.
All right. 70% confidence ले दिनुभएको answer सही रहेको छ. Congratulations. 355 is the correct answer. Nepal is doing tremendous work when it comes to conserving tigers, and that is the correct answer. We now move on to Navajeevan. Navajeevan, your question is, who is popularly known as Fishte Maharaj in the history of Nepal? Your options are A. Veer Shamsher, B. Dheer Shamsher, C. Chandra Shamsher, and D. Bhim Shamsher.
सी चन्द्र शमशेर।
सी चन्द्र शमशेर। तपाईको बत्ती मैले क्वेशन सोध्ने बित्तिकै बलिसकेको थियो एन्सरको लागि. So you know this is the correct answer? Yes? All right. I like that confidence. Well done. That is the correct answer. C. Chandra Shamsher is popularly known as Fishte Maharaj in the history of Nepal. Nami, both your competitors have opened with 10 points. It is now your opportunity. How many articles are there in the Universal Human Rights Charter? Your options are A. 10, B. 20, C. 30, D. 40. 20 seconds on the clock.
40.
Your answer is D. 40. And that is not the right answer. We now move on to Brihaspati.
30.
30 with the eyebrow raise is a question or an answer?
It's an answer.
All right. C. 30 articles. And that is the correct answer. Well done, Brihaspati. You get plus 5 for this past question. यो सँगसँगै हाम्रो पहिलो राउन्ड जेनरल राउन्ड पनि यही समाप्त भएको छ. वेल डन टु अल 3 टिम्स एन्ड गुड लक फर द मिक्स ब्याग राउन्ड. Our next round is the mix bag round. 20 seconds for the direct question plus 10 if you answer it correctly. 10 seconds for a past question and plus 5 for a correct answer to the past question. We now start with Nami College. Nami College, your opportunity to open your account with 10 points. What is the height of basketball hoop in feet? There are no options. You need to give me the answer.
10 feet.
10 feet. को basketball खेल्नुहुन्छ त दुईजना मध्ये? तपाईं खेल्नुहुन्छ? 10 feet is the correct answer. Well done, Nami. You've finally opened your account. Navajivan, the next question is for you. In which district is Chamelia Hydropower project situated? Mixed bag round, no options, 20 seconds on the clock. In which district is Chamelia Hydropower project situated?
दोलखा.
Dolakha is not the right answer. We pass on to Brihaspati.
दार्चुला.
Batsula is the correct answer. Well done, Brihaspati. That is the right answer. We now move on to Brihaspati. Your chance to score a full 10 points. Which river is the longest river in the world?
Nile.
Nile. Was it too easy?
Yes.
Nile is the correct answer. Yes, Nile is the longest river in the world. हाम्रा विद्यार्थीहरूले राम्रो प्रिपरेसन गरेर आउनु भएको छ. That is why they are also scoring full points for all the direct question and the past question as well. With this, we come to the end of our second round, which is mixed bag round. दर्शकवृन्द, अहिलेलाई भने हामी कार्यक्रममा लिन गइरहेका छौँ एउटा छोटो व्यापारिक विश्राम. यो व्यापारिक विश्रामपछि पुनः फर्किनु होला माउन्टेन टेलिभिजनमा. हामी छौँ अहिले नेशनल क्विजमा.
National Quiz Competition presented by Skynet Media Private Limited, powered by Avina Sanitary Napkins Australia, sponsored by Sharda University, brought to you by Asia Pacific School Dhapasi Kathmandu, education partner Southwestern State College Basundhara Kathmandu, Golden Gate International College, makeup partner Aina Unisex Salon and Academy Thapathali Kathmandu, hospitality partner Anupam Events Sitapaila Kathmandu, supported by Medhavi College Sankamul Kathmandu, Jubilant College Kalimati Kathmandu, Keen TV, Tollmart Natural Products, Nightingale International Secondary School, Mount Glory School Toka Kathmandu, Trilok Academy Machapokhari Kathmandu, Everest Secondary School Gwalkupakha Thamel Kathmandu.
ब्रेक पछि पुनः स्वागत छ दर्शकवृन्द. यहाँहरू हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ माउन्टेन टेलिभिजनमा नेशनल क्विज. हामी धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ हाम्रा सम्पूर्ण स्पोन्सर्सहरूलाई. थ्याङ्क यू फर जोइनिङ ह्यान्ड्स विथ अस एन्ड मेकिङ दिस नेशनल क्विज पोसिबल. तीनवटा टिम्स बृहस्पति, नवजीवन र नामी हामीसँग हुनुहुन्छ आजको एपिसोडमा. र अब हामी लाग्दैछौँ हाम्रो थर्ड राउन्डतर्फ, विच इज अल्सो द करेन्ट अफेयर्स राउन्ड. एज अ स्टुडेन्ट कतिको अपडेटेड हुनुहुन्छ डे टु डे ह्यापनिङ्स इन नेपाल एन्ड इन्टरनेसनली भन्ने बारेमा हामीले एकैछिनमा जानकारी पाउनेछौँ. वी आर नाउ स्टार्टिङ विथ बृहस्पति. इट इज योर टर्न फर ए डिरेक्ट क्वेसन. अगेन 20 seconds for direct plus 10 points, 10 seconds for past and plus 5 points. All right. Now, Brihaspati, are we ready?
Yes, we're ready.
All right. What is the percentage of forest area in Nepal according to the Economic Survey of 2078-79? Numbers What is the percentage of forest area in Nepal? No negative marking. Do take a guess.
48%.
48% is not the right answer, Brihaspati. Good try. Navajeevan, this question passes on to you.
46%.
46% is incorrect. I am looking for the exact percentage. Nami?
45%.
45%. All right. As the quiz master, I will give it to Nami. 45 is the correct answer. It is 45.31%. Nami, well done. You were the closest and you get that point. Next question to Navajeevan. Which country has hosted the COP28, the international conference that is related to climate change, the recent COP28?
Egypt.
Egypt is not the right answer. I can see Nami all excited because this question is now passed to them. Nami, give me the correct answer.
Greece.
Greece is incorrect. That is not the right answer. I see Brihaspati team already on to this question. Brihaspati, I expect the correct answer from you.
UAE.
UAE was indeed the country that hosted COP28. Well done, Brihaspati. You do get +5 for this past right answer. Nami, your turn now for the direct question. Who is the first female Foreign Secretary of the government of Nepal? The first female Foreign Secretary of the government of Nepal. "20 seconds on the clock, no negative marking. If you have a guess, this is your chance to take it. Time is up. Nami? Brihaspati?
Sahana Pradhan.
Sahana Pradhan is not the right answer. Navajeevan?
Pass.
All right. The first female foreign secretary of the government of Nepal is Sewa Lamsal. She was the first female foreign secretary for the government of Nepal. With that, we come to the end of the current affairs round. Afno current affairs ma अझै बढी काम गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ भनेर तपाईहरुले थाहा पाउनुभयो होला. You need to be aware of what is happening nationally and internationally. And now we move on to the most exciting round of our quiz show, which is the rapid fire round. Yes, rapid fire round तर्फ हामी अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ दर्शकवृन्द. Rapid fire round मा हरेक टिम मेम्बर्सहरूले पाउनु हुनेछ 30 seconds. 30 seconds भित्र उहाँहरूले 5 वटा प्रश्नको सही उत्तर दिनुपर्नेछ. We're starting with Nami. All the best. Good luck. In which district is Daman situated?
Karachi.
Incorrect. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia?
Riyadh.
Correct. What is the national games of USA?
Sagar.
Incorrect. When is International Children's Day observed?
Pass.
What is the full form of EPS in stock market?
EPS.
Time is up. And by the looks of Nami, who were quite confused, यो प्रश्नको सही जवाफ उहाँलाई शायद थाहा थिएन कि जस्तो लाग्यो. We now move on to Navajeevan. This is your chance to earn 25 points by giving 5 correct answer. Navajeevan? In which district is Kholegaon situated?
Lomzong.
Correct. What is the capital city of South Africa?
Cape Town.
Correct. What is the national game of Spain?
Bullfighting.
Correct. When is World Television Day observed?
Pass.
What is the full form of GDP in economy?
Gross domestic production.
That is the wrong answer. Gross domestic product is the right answer, Navajivan. You had enough time. You could have taken it slow. Brihaspati, we move forward to you now, our last team for the rapid fire. Remember, 30 seconds on the clock. In which district is Sirubari situated?
Pass.
What is the capital city of Spain?
Madrid.
Correct. What is the national game of Pakistan?
Hockey.
Correct. When is World AIDS Day observed?
December 1st.
Correct. What is the full form of IMF?
International Monetary Fund.
That is correct. Well done, Brihaspati. And with that, we come to the end of this exciting rapid fire round. 30 सेकेन्ड्समा 5वटा प्रश्नको उत्तर दिनुपर्ने थियो। उहाँहरूले एकदमै राम्रो प्रयास गर्नुभयो। तीनैवटा टिमको लागि एकपटक जोरदार ताली। वेल डन बृहस्पति, वेल डन नवजीवन एन्ड वेल डन नामी। दर्शकवृन्द, यहाँहरू पनि हामीलाई हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने हामी छौँ माउन्टेन टेलिभिजनमा नेसनल क्विजमा। अब भने हामी एउटा छोटो व्यापारिक विश्रामतर्फ अगाडि बढ्दैछौँ। यो व्यापारिक विश्रामपछि रिजल्ट्सका साथ हामी पुनः फिर्ता आउनेछौँ।
National Quiz Competition presented by Skynet Media Private Limited, powered by Awina Sanitary Napkins Australia, sponsored by Sharda University, brought to you by Asia Pacific School Dhapasi Kathmandu, education partner Southwestern State College Basundhara Kathmandu, Golden Gate International College, makeup partner Aina Unisex Salon and Academy Thapathali Kathmandu, hospitality partner Anupam Events Sitapaila Kathmandu, supported by Medhavi College Sankhamul Kathmandu, Jubilant College Kalimati Kathmandu, Keen TV, Tollmart Natural Products, Nightingale International Secondary School, Mount Glory School Toka Kathmandu, Trilok Academy Machapokhari Kathmandu, Everest Secondary School Gwalkupakha Thamel Kathmandu.
दर्शकवृन्द, यो व्यापारिक विश्रामपछि यहाँहरू सम्पूर्णलाई हामी कार्यक्रममा हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छौँ। 4वटा एक्साइटिङ राउन्ड्स समाप्त भइसकेका छन् नेसनल क्विजमा। हामीसँग रहनुभएका आजका 3 टिम्स मध्ये केवल एक टिम अगाडि बढ्नेछ अर्को चरणतर्फ। बृहस्पति, नवजीवन एन्ड नामी, वेल प्लेड all 3 of you. We wish you all the very best for a bright future. Results भन्नुपर्दा, in 3rd place we have Nami with 20 points. Well done. In 2nd place we have Navajivan with 25 points, meaning Brihaspati, well done. You move forward to the next round and you got 55 points. So well done, Brihaspati. Wish you all the very best as you move forward to the next rounds. दर्शकवृन्द, आजको लागि यो एपिसोडको अन्त्यतर्फ हामी आइसकेका छौँ। पुनः एकपटक हाम्रा सम्पूर्ण स्पोन्सर्सहरूलाई हामी धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छौँ। र दर्शकवृन्द, यहाँहरूको पनि हाम्रो क्विज शो प्रति केही सल्लाह सुझावहरू छन् भने हामीलाई अवश्य पनि पठाउनुहोला। आजका लागि म क्विज मास्टर सदीक्षा श्रेष्ठ र मेरो सम्पूर्ण टिमको तर्फबाट पनि हामी बिदा माग्न चाहन्छौँ। नमस्कार।
National Quiz Competition presented by Skynet Media Private Limited, powered by Awina Sanitary Napkins Australia, sponsored by Sharda University, brought to you by Asia Pacific School Dhapasi Kathmandu, education partner Southwestern State College Basundhara Kathmandu, Golden Gate International College, makeup partner Aina Unisex Salon and Academy Thapathali Kathmandu, hospitality partner Anupam Events Sitapaila Kathmandu, supported by Medhavi College Sankhamul Kathmandu, Jubilant College Kalimati Kathmandu, Keen TV, Tollmart Natural Products, Nightingale International Secondary School, Mount Glory School Toka Kathmandu, Trilok Academy Machapokhari Kathmandu, Everest Secondary School Gwalkupakha Thamel Kathmandu.